Welcome to the REAP Conservation Education Program video tutorial of the components of the grant application. This video will be a highlight of the SlideRoom online grant submission portal and some of its features. With many of the grants at the DNR, SlideRoom will be hosting the online grant application submission process. From each of the program websites, along with the DNR's grant webpage, they will all route you to the SlideRoom DNR portal. On the DNR portal, there will be a listing of all the active grants available to be applied for. In this visual demonstration, you'll see the REAP CEP available program at the bottom of the screen. For those that have used SlideRoom before for other grant programs, the same login information is available for you for your account within SlideRoom. Additionally, if you set up an account with other programs, the same login information will be available for you as one account holder. If you already have that login information in a previous account, in the upper right-hand corner is the abilities to log in. But also, if you've never used SlideRoom before, there's a sign-up feature in the upper right-hand corner. On our portal, there'll also be a listing of the DNR website itself. We'll pull that up, and this is all of our different grants that are available at the agency that you can be able to scroll through. Many of these will give you additional details and extra information about each one of those specific grants for you. Some of them will even point you back to this portal to be able to log in and fill out an application through SlideRoom. If you choose any of the items for programs that are available, they'll bring up a summarization for you, information about that grant itself, and also the website for that additional information. It'll take you to give you more information about that specific grant. There are items that you can go ahead and start applying right now that you're ready, but also if you're not, you can also preview the full application. This will provide a summarization of all the different questions and categories that are going to be in that grant. So before even logging in or even thinking about it, this is an option for you to be able to preview what all the different questions are going to be for you. Maybe this is an area that you want to collaborate, so you may want to copy and paste this information, or use from the REAP CEP website the information to be able to use in a Word document or Google document to collaborate offline and with others. Once you are ready, you can apply now for this, and it's going to ask you to sign up if you have not done an account before, or just log in. So I'm going to have us log in and be able to show just a little bit of what's in there. Now that we've logged into SlideRoom, it's going to ask, okay, do you wish to begin this application? I'm going to say yes, that we're ready to begin the application. So it's going to pull us through and bring us to the application itself. For this one, along with other applications within SlideRoom, it's going to provide on the left-hand side the segments and information for each one of the categories that there may be. For REAP CEP, there are 7 categories, plus the minority impact statement and the certification that you're submitting this information. That'll give you the abilities to go through each one of these items. Some of the nice features that come along with this is every 30 seconds, it automatically saves your information, or in the upper right-hand corner, you can save and exit, or even at the bottom of each one of the categories and abilities to save and move forward. This one's already been saved because it keeps saving automatically for us. So a nice feature. You'll be able to come back, log in and out as you please, and be able to fill out the application in the order and the time that makes the most sense for you. There also is a character count for many of the different categories. There'll be a highlighting of what those character counts are, along with, as you type, there will be in the lower left-hand corner the abilities for it to count the number of characters for you. Those are characters and not words. So spaces and returns, dashes, and other symbols all count as characters and have a maximum amount for you. Additionally, in some of the sections and areas, there is an abilities to attach items. So in our budget category, there is an opportunity to attach partner support letters by just choosing the file, and it's going to pull up your computer to be able to ask, where do you want to pull that file from? And then you can upload that and attach it. As you go along, it will also give you a notification of what has not been completed. You'll see here in section 1, as I skipped over some of the questions and didn't answer them, it's going to give me a little red notification that that component has not been completed. As you do complete items, it's going to give you a green check mark next to each of the items to let you know that you have completed them. New and different for SlideRoom is a portfolio option where you can upload and attach additional items that make sense for your application. It may be the advertising, it may be an evaluation, it may be pictures and graphics, it may be more details to a budget portion or justification for items. This is a new area for you to utilize and attach up to 5 additional items that maybe support your application. Not required, but an additional area for you to upload and submit different items with us. The last category that's new and different is our submitting the completed application. The system will notify and let you know that you are not done. You'll see that on this one, I have all these different categories that have not been completed yet. And so before I can submit, I need to complete those areas for us. Once you do submit, it will give you a confirmation along with the abilities to go get an email confirmation and download all your entire application as one PDF document. We're not there at that stage yet, but you'll see that in upcoming videos to be able to learn more about that. So those are just some few highlights of the REAP CEP application utilizing SlideRoom for its program to be able to enter and submit. Again, you can save and build it along the way. It is not a one-time login and have to submit all in the same time frame. You're welcome to save all the way up to the deadline and be able to make edits and adjustments. Enjoy the additional videos demonstrating and explaining each of the sections for the REAP CEP online application and some of the upcoming videos. And as always, I'm available to assist if you have any questions along the way.